Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about exchange of gases. This is the alveoli, heart, tissues. Alveoli are the primary site of exchange of gases. Alveoli are the primary site of exchange of gases. Exchange of gases also occurs between the blood and tissues. Blood and tissues. The exchange sites are alveoli and tissues. O2 and CO2. O2 and CO2 are exchanged these sites by diffusion. These sites by simple diffusion. So exchange of gases is called passive activity. Passive activity. Exchange of gases by diffusion process, simple diffusion process. So exchange of gases also called passive activity. Exchange of gases depends on some factors. These factors are partial pressure, of gases, solubility of gases, thickness of respiratory membrane, surface area, distance of diffusion. These are the main factors affect the exchange of gases. Partial pressure of gases, solubility of gases, thickness of respiratory membrane, surface area, distance of diffusion. These factors affect the rate of exchange of gases. Partial pressure or concentration gradient of gases. Partial pressure means the pressure contributed by individual gas in a mixture of gases is called partial pressure. Partial pressure means the pressure contributed by individual gas in a mixture of gases is called partial pressure. Atmospheric air. The atmospheric partial pressure is 760 mmHg. The atmospheric partial pressure is 760 mmHg. The oxygen partial pressure is 159 mmHg. The gas present in the atmosphere, oxygen present in the atmosphere is 20.95%. Oxygen present in the atmosphere is 20.95%. Total atmospheric gases pressure is 760 mmHg. 760 into 20.95 by 100 is equal 159 mmHg. Partial pressure. Atmospheric oxygen contains 159 mmHg partial pressure. mmHg partial pressure. PO2. Atmospheric PO2 is 159 mmHg. mmHg. The partial pressure of oxygen indicates PO2 and partial pressure of CO2 indicates the PCO2. PCO2. This data indicates the concentration gradient. This data indicates the concentration gradient for oxygen from alveoli to deoxygen, alveoli to blood, and from blood to tissues. This data indicates concentration gradient for oxygen from alveoli to blood and blood to tissues. Similarly, CO2 concentration, CO2 gradient for opposite direction. From CO2 enters into from tissues, CO2 enters into the blood, and from the blood to alveoli. The gases exchange always from high partial pressure to low partial pressure. Next, solubility of gases. CO2 solubility is higher than 20 to 25 times more than of the O2. Solubility of CO2 is 20 to 25 times higher than that of the O2 concentration. Important. Solubility of CO2 is 20 to 25 times higher than that of O2. Next, thickness of respiratory membrane. Thickness of exchange of gases depends on the thickness of respiratory membrane. Diffusion membrane, formation of diffusion membrane. Single layer of simple squamous epithelium of alveoli. This is alveoli. Simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is single line layer. Simple squamous epithelium of alveoli and their basement membrane. All epithelial cells are rest on the basement membrane. Basement membrane. Simple squamous epithelium and their basement membrane. And blood vessel. This is blood vessel. Endothelium of blood vessel. This is endothelial line. Endothelium and their basement membrane. This is endothelial basement membrane. This is RBCs. Blood. Respiratory membrane is formed by simple squamous epithelium of alveoli and blood vessel of endothelium lining of blood vessel. And simple squamous epithelium of alveoli and their basement membranes. This is the respiratory membrane. Important. Respiratory membrane. Respiratory membrane is formed by formed by simple squamous epithelium of alveoli and their basement membrane, and endothelium of, this is endothelium of blood vessel, endothelium of blood vessel and their basement membrane. Respiratory membrane is formed by simple squamous epithelium of alveoli and endothelium of blood vessel, endothelium of blood vessel and their basement membranes. These all forms respiratory membranes. Exchange of gases depends on the thickness of respiratory membrane. Thickness of respiratory membrane. Respiratory membrane is thin. Respiratory membrane is thin respiratory membrane. Important. Next, surface area. Large surface area increases the exchange of gases. Large surface area increase the exchange of gases. Next, distance of diffusion. Short distance increase the exchange of gases. Short distance increase the exchange of gases. Next, pulmonary gas exchange, systemic gas exchange. Pulmonary gas exchange. This is pulmonary gas exchange. This is systemic gas exchange. Pulmonary gas exchange. Differences of PO2 and CO2. PO2 and CO2 in the alveoli favor the diffusion of, favor the exchange of O2 and CO2. O2 and CO2. Differences in PO2 and PCO2 in the alveolar air and pulmonary capillaries. Pulmonary capillaries favor the diffusion of O2 from alveolar air into pulmonary capillaries, and CO2 exchanged from the pulmonary capillary into alveolar air, The pulmonary capillaries, the alveolar air, partial pressure of O2 in the alveolar air is 104 mmHg. In pulmonary capillary, the partial pressure of oxygen is 40 mmHg. So, oxygen enters into the pulmonary capillary from alveolar air. The CO2 concentration, the partial pressure of CO2 in the pulmonary capillary is 45 mmHg. In pulmonary capillary, the PCO2 is 45 mmHg. But in alveolar air, the partial pressure of CO2 is 40 mmHg. So, CO2 enters into the alveolar air from the pulmonary capillary. In pulmonary exchange, the deoxygenated blood, this is deoxygenated blood. In pulmonary exchange, pulmonary gas exchange also called external respiration. Pulmonary gas exchange is also called external respiration. In pulmonary gas exchange, the deoxygenated blood come from the right side of the heart is converted into oxygenated blood. In pulmonary gas exchange, the deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood. That enters into this oxygenated blood enters into the left side of the heart. Next, systemic gas exchange. Systemic gas exchange is also called internal respiration. Pulmonary gas exchange is called external respiration. Systemic gas exchange is called internal respiration. Differences in PO2 and PCO2 in the systemic capillary and tissues, systemic capillary and tissues favor the diffusion of O2, diffusion of O2 from systemic capillary into tissues, systemic capillary into tissues, and diffusion of CO2 from tissues to pulmonary capillary and alveoli In systemic gas exchange, the oxygenated blood coming from the left side of the heart converted into deoxygenated blood, converted into the oxygenated blood coming from the left side of the heart enters into the tissue that converted into the deoxygenated blood, This deoxygenated blood enters into the right atrium and then enters into the pulmonary artery and goes out through the alveoli. This is the systemic gas exchange. The differences alveoli and this is external respiration, alveoli and deoxygenated blood. This is pulmonary gas exchange. Alveoli and exchange between alveoli and deoxygenated blood. Alveoli and deoxygenated blood is called pulmonary gas exchange. Oxygenated blood and tissues. Exchange of gases between oxygenated blood and tissues is called systemic gas exchange. Gas exchange between alveoli and deoxygenated blood is called pulmonary gas exchange or external gas exchange, and exchange of gases between oxygenated blood and tissues is called systemic gas exchange or internal respiration. The PO2 differences in alveoli and deoxygenated blood. The PO2 differences in alveoli and deoxygenated blood is 64 mmHg. The PO2 differences in oxygenated blood and tissue is 55 mmHg. The PO2 differences in alveoli and deoxygenated blood is 64 mmHg, and PO2 differences in oxygenated blood and tissue is 55 mmHg. The PCO2 differences in alveoli and oxygenated blood is 5 mmHg. The PCO2 differences in alveoli and deoxygenated blood is 5 mmHg, and PCO2 differences in oxygenated blood and tissue is 5 mmHg. This partial pressure, these differences causes favorable for the diffusion of gases.